Here's a tip for all you rideshare drivers out there. Don't ever feel like you have to take a ride just because you've accepted it. If you get to the location and something just doesn't feel right about it, bail. Who cares? There's nothing that's worth you feeling uncomfortable or something even worse. Case in point, the other night I was downtown, actually in Scottsdale, Arizona, which you'd think is a pretty good place, but I was just south of the, let's call it not rough area. And I pull up, the parking lot's dark. I case back and forth in front of this strip mall, which apparently had this dive bar in it. It's about 2 a.m. I call the passenger. They answer, but they're not really talking to me. I just hear a lot of shouting and yelling in the background. I finally see 3 rather large dudes stumble out of the bar. One is so drunk or on something that his buddy was literally dragging him out of the bar. And this is 2:30 in the morning. And I know people need a ride, but I don't need that kind of crap in my wife's Cadillac. And I don't know if they were just drunk, if they were on drugs or what, but I was sitting there going, I don't need this shit for $4 or whatever the hell I was going to make on that ride. And I just canceled it. I've got 2 weeks under my belt and I'm not taking any more shit. So if you don't feel comfortable, just go. Cancel the ride, just go. It's not worth your driver rating or whatever it would be. So just bail if there's anything about the situation that makes you uncomfortable. It's your car, and as they say, it's your body, your choice.